Okay, guys, I am at a fire party with my good friends Wilbur Ricardo, hello, and Tui Kruger, who is drinking beer and smoking cigarettes with Earl Graham and his friends. Isn't that right, Tui? Yeah, we're just partying like a bunch of dick bags. You mean douchebags? Yeah. So look how massive this freaking fire is. It's like a forest fire, except with a fire pit in the middle. It's like a bunch of weirdo cracky McCrinnicks, or whatever I may call them. Let me just get this. Hang on a second. Let me just get this on. Hang on a second. Let me just get this. Hang on just a second. Chocolate milk is pretty tasty for some children. This is unbelievable. What the hell was that? I don't know. I think I heard something. Well, wait a minute, guys. I think I heard something. What the? Holy freaking cow! It's a freaking shark squatch! What the hell is he doing here? I don't know. And he's carrying a dead deer carcass into my property. How is this even possible? I heard names were intelligent, but I don't even know how to control this freaking camera yet. Huh? Look at him. He's flipping me off. Try that, bud. Yeah. You better get the heck off my property, pal. Stupid moron. What the hell was that? I don't know. Sound like a Bigfoot. Or even a goose. There's no goose in goddamn New York, Hayden. I know, but I heard a tree snap. I could have sworn I heard a tree snap. What is that? I don't know. That's odd. But I heard a tree snapping. This was weird because I'm not the only one alone in the damn woods. Ain't nobody gonna know. Come on, hey, we're just two. Come on, we're just two freaking rock stars partying for a couple of minutes long. So let's just continue to party and forget about all this shark squatch shit. Sorry, I burped on video. That was my fault. I did not mean to do that. It was rude to me. Oh, what the? Holy shit! I think I dropped my phone. I got it. I think I dropped it somewhere. Let's try this again because I wasn't being too careful. Oh, it was flipped upside down. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to do that. Let's try this again. Freaking weirdo. What was that? What the? It's that same Sasquatch. I mean, wait, that's no shark squatch. It's just a shark squatch. Wait a second. He's drunk. How can he be fucking drunk? And he just fainted. What seems to be the perfect problem. Hey, you! Get your ass off his property! Wait a minute. Who's that? Hi! What? Corey? Cora? Caroline? Wow, you freaking showed up here. What kind of believer would be so inconspicuous? What kind of crappy old freaking moron decided to go up here and try to get on my freaking property? I mean, a couple of seconds ago we heard some snapping of tree branches, but now this is just ridiculous. Wait a second. Hang on. Hang on, let me try this. Try it. Okay. I've managed to burn the complete side of the friggin' hood. I don't want no creatures or like unknown creatures trying to steal our property. Why are you zooming on your belly? I don't know. I just like to. Here we go. This is just great. Like weirdo. Sorry. Oh wait. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Are you alright, buddy? Are you okay? Are you too drunk? What the? Oh my God! I think he collapsed. I'll get him help. This is ridiculous. Really? I just had to cut that. You really had to cut the goddamn cheese? What are you, some kind of idiot? I'm not an idiot. I just had to cut it. Who cut the cheese? Hayden? Hayden! I had to, Becky. I had to. Jeez. Here comes help. Excuse us, sir. Yeah, just carry him into your forest home. I don't care. Here they go. Carry him to his own home. What was that? What the? Holy shit! What? It's that same shark squatch again. He's got a freaking gun. Hurry! Someone else stop him. Yeah, KJ, get him. Yeah! Arrest that bastard. Yeah, KJ! Kick his ass! You said it, boys. You said it. Oh, man. What a great night this has been. Oh, man. I'm so glad this fire has decided to continue. Getting my own warmth into it. No snapping the tree branches? No more of that? No more of that? I don't see him. Alright. What do you think we should probably go inside for? Sex. No, Becky, no sex tonight. Oh, why? No sex tonight. I don't want no unknown creatures attacking us. Or attacking you, Hayden. Yeah. What should we do? Let's just go inside and let this fire die off for tonight. Yeah. That's probably a good idea anyway. Yeah. If I see one more shark squatch sighting over again here again, that's it. We're done for this night. We're done. That's your order? That's my order. Look at fire burning. Look at wood burning. Oh, yep. I heard it. I heard it. What the? Holy shit. It's a Bigfoot. It's a friggin' Bigfoot. He's trying to steal my dirt bike. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, buddy. Huh? Get your hands off that friggin' dirt bike. Yeah. Get the heck out of here and quit stealing my property. Yeah. Screw off. Well, should we head back inside? Yeah, maybe we should. Alright, we're gonna end this here. Can't believe I caught some sightings today. What about you, Corey? I was about to cut a far in, but I chose not to, so I tried to hold it in. Oh, you tried to hold it in? Yeah. Yeah, every time I just got my farts into it. Okay, and enough of that talk. Yeah, enough of it. We don't want to hear it. Unbelievable.